This NAN workflow killed my daily planning and saves me about 30 minutes every single day. And the four main components are the get today's calendar events for my calls, get emails, get the weather, as well as get my tasks that I put on Google. So every day at 7:30 in the morning, instead of getting up and start planning my day, all I have to do is make sure that my tasks are in there, and it's going to run this and merge all the information, aggregate all that data, run it through AI, and then send me a notification in my Slack. And that Slack notification is going to look a little like this, and it's pretty straightforward. It's just the calendar, the weather, so I can see what's up for the day, the calendar, my calls, my emails, what's priority to hit. Like, I didn't even know I had to fix my campaign, my email campaign, but this let me know I had to. And then rate it my tasks from priority 1 to 3, and then give me the top focus for the day, because this was most important, this sales call. So we're going to take a few moments here, and I'm going to show you how I actually set this up. And if you want access to this template, go ahead and join my school community. I've linked it below in the description. But essentially, here are some instructions and some context as to how this thing actually runs. You can go through this when you download the workflow. But this is just basically a morning trigger, so there's nothing too hectic or confusing about that. Now, this pulling data process, these are actually some more simpler nodes. So all you're going to do is connect your credentials with your Google Calendar, and you can sign in with Google, so there's no API or anything needed there, which I love because sometimes it gets a little hectic with the Google Cloud Console. Same thing here. You're going to connect your Gmail account. Here, this is using Appify. So I'm going to pull up Appify, and I'm going to show you the actor that I've used. It's actually linked there on the side of the instructions within this workflow. So on the actor side of things, it was weather fetcher. So I'm going to add this to, okay, so you're just going to want to save it. So we're going to come over to API endpoints. We're going to grab run task and get dataset items. So you're going to copy that. And once you got that Appify URL, you're going to come here, you're going to paste that link, and we're going to make sure that you don't have to use any query parameters. I can turn that off. Authorization for headers, and then you're going to put bearer, and then put your Appify API link or API key, and you can grab that in Appify in your settings, go to API, you just copy that, and you follow this format. So you would literally just change this end part. And then as far as get tasks, you would literally just connect your Google account in the same way you connected the Gmail and the calendar. Task, leave all of this alone. This merge node is to just merge all the data, and then this aggregate node is going to create the outputs that look a lot cleaner, so that when you set up this agent instructions, when we format it, we're going to put JSON calendar events, unread emails, weather, and tasks, and that comes from the aggregate node. When it's executed, you'll see you literally just plug and drop, and the aggregate and merge are important to have clean data so that the agent can properly formulate a response. And here I'm using GPT-5. Connecting your OpenAPI account, you have to go create a OpenAI account and grab the API key, and then you would just be able to plug in your type of model. I'm using 5 because I want something with a little bit more understanding, and I use the mini model, so it's not super expensive. And the last part is pretty straightforward. This part is what's going to give us the most value, because it's going to give us that summary. It's going to post it from the agent and put it here in Slack for us. So you would literally just connect your Slack account, pick the channel, simple text message. You'd grab the output, drop it there. It's going to put it here. And then we ultimately are going to get this, which is the breakdown of our day. So if you guys got value out of this, like the video, subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and consider joining the school community. The template's there for you. It's free. It's free $99. So I will see you guys on the next one.